Well, hello again, everybody, and welcome back to a brand new episode of Maximus the Fourth. Whereas today, inspired by the great DJ Glowing Ice, we're going to be taking a look at the Nutter Flutter Blizzard. So here we go. Sorry that the steering wheel is kind of in the way, but let's just see if we can make this work, no matter what. Ew. So, the Nutter Flutter Blizzard. I am not really sure what's in this thing, but let me just try it out and tell you guys what I think about it. First of all, just take a look at what that looks like on the camera. I don't know, thumbnail here. Here we go. So let's just dig in. So this Nutter Flutter Blizzard, just imagine eating some sort of an ice cream, sorry about the light you guys, that tastes like a Reese's. But it's a little bit more of a mild Reese's flavor. This is actually not bad. I've actually had one of these before, but I just didn't review it. Very good. You got your perfect swirl of vanilla ice cream like you should. And okay, that was a good bite too. Boom. Nice punch of Reese's. And it's hard to say, but I feel like there might be maybe a very, very tiny amount of nuts that are in this, but I don't know. That is overall very good though. Definitely cannot go wrong with that. I feel like blizzards, unless you have a really good job, which I do, they're a little bit pricey, but for what they are, they're worth it. A lot of blizzards from Dairy Queen are absolutely bomb. For years, me personally, I always liked the Oreo Blizzard, but as the years have gone by, I've kind of fizzled away from it. Not really for any reason, but in my life while I've been married, I've gotten the chocolate Blizzard several times. I don't know which one I'm talking about, but there's like, I don't know. I would say there's at least 2 variations of chocolate as far as blizzards go. Boom. Oh. Oh. That was exciting. But so far, I think the Flutter Nutter is my favorite out of all of them. My wife was really impressed too, and that's really saying something because she's not super easy to please when it comes to food, like especially desserts. Like, it has to be really good. But I don't know, let's just keep eating this for a little bit. Already about at least a quarter of the way there. It's very consistent. There's going to be some bites where you get a soft Reese's-like bite, and then there's going to be other bites where you have a nice, chewy, chippy chocolate piece of candy in your teeth. The ice cream in this is absolutely phenomenal, and I'm here to tell you guys that if you've never tried a Flutter Nutter, get to DQ and get one. They're very good. The Flutter Nutter gets a perfect score of 10 out of 10. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure to share this video with a buddy, and if you would be kind enough, please don't forget to drop a comment down below to help boost the algorithm. Thank you for watching, and I am Maximus the Fourth. See you guys next time.